What do you think is the snowiest mountain in the United States? Maybe Denali or some other large mountain in Alaska? What about something in the Northern Rockies? Or maybe one of the highest mountains in the contiguous United States, like Mount Whitney or Mount Elbert? Well, it's none of those, and the actual answer might surprise you. But first, be sure to follow for more mountain and geography content. The snowiest mountain in the United States, and one of the snowiest places on the entire planet, is Mount Baker, a large stratovolcano located in the Cascade Range, which runs from southern British Columbia all the way to northern California. On average, Mount Baker receives roughly 645 inches, or 54 feet, of snow every single year. That average annual snowfall is the highest of any mountain in the entire country, although it is virtually tied with Mount Rainier, which is located about 100 miles south of Mount Baker, yet stands nearly 4,000 feet higher. For comparison, Mount Logan, which is the second highest mountain in all of North America and stands roughly 9,000 feet higher than Mount Baker, receives about 15 feet less snowfall annually. But Mount Baker doesn't just have the highest average annual snowfall of any mountain in the country, as it also holds the record for the most snow recorded during a single winter season anywhere on Earth. During the winter of 1998 and 1999, Mount Baker received a staggering 1,140 inches, or 95 feet of snow, and to this day that stands as the record for snowiest single season of any place on Earth. But what is it about Mount Baker exactly that makes it so snowy? The volcano stands at an elevation of 10,786 feet, but that only makes it the third highest mountain in Washington state and the fifth highest in the Cascades overall. So clearly it isn't just purely about elevation. Instead, it's more about Mount Baker's location. To start, the mountain is located in northern Washington on the western edge of the Cascades, which is one of the wettest regions in the entire country. More locally, Mount Baker sits more or less in the perfect location to receive maximum precipitation from winter storms in the region. You see, the area receives a lot of precipitation from southerly and southwesterly flowing storms. And because there isn't much higher terrain upstream of Mount Baker in that direction, there's much less competition for precipitation. And finally, the fact that Mount Baker isn't super high actually benefits it when it comes to receiving maximum snowfall. That's because while the air needs to be below freezing for it to snow, more snowfall